Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix why you could not update your profile picture on Instagram. This error means you can't change your profile picture on Instagram either because of a poor internet connection or some other error. You can solve the problem very easily. Watch the full video. Before starting the video, I have a request. If our video is of any benefit to you, please give a like and comment on the video. Your like and comment will encourage us to make next video. If you're a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. Open Google Play Store. Click search bar, then type Instagram. Click Instagram. If you get any update, please update. Open Instagram. Now you try to upload your profile picture. If you have a problem uploading your picture, then follow the next step. Turn off your internet connection. Turn on the internet connection again. Open any browser. Click address bar, then type instagram.com. Now you try to upload your profile picture. If after following everything your problem is not solved, maybe picture does not match Instagram profile picture size guidelines. After following this thing, hopefully your problem will be solved. If someone problem is not solved, then definitely comment. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. If our video is useful to you, then like the video and share with your friends and family member.